Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Steam download location. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. At the Steam download location, reverse to the folder on your computer where games, updates, and other content are downloaded and stored when using the Steam. When it comes to downloading new games on Steam, the default location for installation is usually the same folder as the Steam installation itself. So, what if you want to change the download location on your Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Steam. From here, you can go to the up left corner. There is an option Steam. You can select on that. Now you can select on settings. From settings, you can go to download. Select on download. And then here, you can change your download location. So, you can change in here. You can go to storage. You can go to storage. After that, here, you can select in here. You can choose on the drive that you want to use for download. Local drive C is set by default. If you want to change to another drive, you can select on another drive. And if you want to add another drive on your Steam, you can just select on add drive. You can browse and select on the drive, and you can select that drive as your download location on your Steam account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your Steam download location. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!